Why everyone say pay with OA is bad? Can share more? Using money from your OA is very common. I think most people do it in Singapore, whether it is for down payment, stamp duty, or monthly installments. Although OA savings can be useful for us to have more cash on hand, there will be accrued interest on the CPF you choose to use. Because of that, even if you have paid off your home in full, the accrued interest is still rolling as long as you do not redeem your CPF usage. Let me give you an example. Say you use a lump sum of CPF OA to clear your outstanding loan of 400,000 and you have been staying in it for over 15 years. 400,000 times 1.025 for 15 times. You get 579,000. That is the amount you need to refund back to your CPF OA if you were to sell off your place. If the selling price does not exceed that amount, that's when you have a negative sale and cannot get your full CPF back into your OA account for your next purchase. You sell already, need to find another place right? So in summary, I would say try to use a mix of cash and CPF for your monthly installments so that you can incur less accrued interest and at the same time earn an interest in your OA.